Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a monkey. Take a pencil and draw an oval for the head. Add a bean shape for the body. Draw an oval for the muzzle. Add 2 circles behind the head for the ears. Draw the right arm curling up, his hand is scratching his head. Add the left arm curling down. Add the hand, thumb and lines for the fingers. Draw the legs pulled up in a crouch. The feet are flat on the ground with long curling toes. Draw a belly spot. Draw a long spiraling tail. Add the eyes, nose, mouth, and hair. Draw a curve and semicircle inside each ear. Take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Add a nostril. Draw a curve for the bottom lip. Add some fur to the arms. Draw each finger as separate overlapping shapes. Add some fur to the legs. Draw the toes as separate overlapping ovals. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. We can color the fur brown and the skin a peachy ochre. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.